We're now going to move on to the pull-up section. We're going to look at some pull-up regressions, some conventional pull-up exercises, and pull-up progressions. Pull-ups are very, very important in that we normally prescribe the protocol 2 pull to 1 push. A lot of times people do too much push and that can create shoulder problems, whereas the pull-up exercises offset any of that anterior rounding of the shoulders. Pull-ups inherently can be difficult for females because they spend less time climbing trees and climbing ropes that maybe their male counterparts will do. Also because females inherently have higher body fat levels and less lean muscle mass than their male counterparts, it's very important that we show you ways that females can get good at pull-ups to the regressions using bands and bars. One of my introductory exercises to teaching the pull-up is called the inverted row. And this is a great exercise that you can expose your athletes to if they haven't had any experience of doing the pull-up exercise. Very easy to set up. Set a barbell up on a height that's appropriate to your athlete. Have them slide under the bar, heels on the ground, body straight, arms straight, and have your athletes pull themselves up to touch the bar, lower under control, pull up, touch the bar, and lower. Athlete pulls themselves up to the bar, touch the bar, lower, arms fully straight, pull right up, touch the bar, and lower under control. And that's a great introductory regression to teaching the pull-up. Pull regression, dumbbell incline row. The dumbbell incline row is a great regression in teaching the pull-up. I've used this a lot with my rowers, my international Olympic rowers, because that's very specific to their sport. It allows the athlete to really feel the tension that they need in their lats when they progress on to the conventional pull-up. For the incline row, set the bench up on a 30-degree angle and have 2 dumbbells set ready to go. Athlete picks up their dumbbells and then slide right up the bench and prop themselves up on the bench so the rib cage is sitting at the top of the bench. Begin the exercise with the dumbbells straight and pulling dumbbells up towards the body, elbows tight, squeeze the shoulder blades at the top and then lower under control. And pulling dumbbells up towards the body, elbows tight, squeeze the shoulder blades at the top and then lower under control. Pull the dumbbells up, elbows tight on the side, squeeze the shoulder blades at the top and then lower under control. This is banded pull-ups, and this is my real go-to before we step into the proper conventional pull-ups. And I've found a lot of success in the past with this with female athletes and heavier male athletes who don't have the required pull strength to do a conventional pull-up. Unlike traditional banded pull-ups, I don't hang the band from the bar down. I hang my band across the rack, okay? And this is set up to a height to where it makes the athlete work hard. They can still complete the pull-up, but it's not easy. So we set up the band across the rack, and we're going to start with pull-ups. So pull-ups is that position, chin-ups is that position. So pull-up position, feet on the band, full extension of the elbow to the shoulder blade, and then we pull up over the bar and the band assists us. Lower, and the band gives a bit of assistance. So we use the band to create some propulsion. Pull up over the bar, lower, use the band, chin up over the bar, lower under control. And the band gives that extra help to allow the athlete to conduct the pull-up. So that's our pull-ups, and then we move into our chin-ups with the grips different, palms are facing. Full extension of the elbow, pull up over the bar, lower, use the band for help, lower under control, band helps to push you up, lower, and pull up, chin up over the bar. And that's our banded pull-ups. Now that we've completed the regressions for the pull-up and the chin-up, we're now going to move on to the conventional pull-up and chin-up. How they differ are: a pull-up is palms facing away from you, a chin-up or a closer grip and the palms are facing. The pull-up is a vital exercise and it underpins all the strength exercise you can do in the gym. It underpins the clean, the snatch, all type of strength and power exercises. So it's imperative that you learn to use your own body weight and be able to do both the pull-up and the chin-up in the gym. So the pull-up first, we take a wide grip past the shoulders. We start at the bottom position. Some people have their feet straight, some hook behind, that's fine. And what you do is, using your lats and your triceps, you pull the body up over the bar, lower under control, hold, pull up over the bar, and lower, always under control. When we go into the chin up, which is a different grip, and it works a slightly different part of the back muscle, and it works more of the biceps, and very, very good for pull strength. Again, start at the bottom, feet can be hooked behind or straight, and we pull up over the bar, lower under control. Make sure we're fully extended from the elbow into the shoulder blade, up over the bar, under control, up and lower. And that's the conventional chin up and pull up. A great way to enhance your pull strength and improve your pull-ups is do weighted pull-ups, and there's many ways to add the weight. You can use a dumbbell between the ankles, you can get a plate and tuck it into your shorts or your tracksuit bottoms, or you can use a traditional weighted belt that a lot of people use. So I'm going to use the dumbbell version, and we're going to do a chin-up version. So we put the dumbbell between our ankles, we take the chin-up grip, body in full extension, we pull up over the bar while holding the dumbbell between our ankles, lower under control, pull up over the bar, lower, and so on and so on. A great way to manipulate pull-ups is control the lowering of the speed of the pull-up, and we call these eccentrics. So what we do is we add a time to it. For this example, it will be 5 seconds. So we'll use 5 seconds to lower the body and then explode up over the bar. This creates a lot more tension in the muscle and increases the strength gains for that particular exercise. So for an eccentric pull-up, we take the pull-up grip. Okay, we start at the bottom, we explode up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Explode up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can also do the same for chin-ups. So our grip slightly changes. Start at the bottom, explode up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, explode up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's a great way to manipulate that exercise and get more bang for your buck. The final progression on this online course for the pull-up section is something that we call 666, the number of the beast. I've used this extensively in rugby league, especially in Australia and NRL, where the athletes there are pure animals. They love things that are tough, and this is a tough combination. It does what it says on the tin. You do 6 reps of a weighted pull-up between your legs. You then do 6 reps of just body weight, and then you do 6 reps using a band to assist you. So 6 weighted, 6 body weight, 6 banded, 666 number of the beast. Give it a go, it'll absolutely smash you. In the pull-up section of this online course, we've shown you the regressions, conventional, and really, really good progressions. We've given you a roadmap how you can take a complete novice who can't do any pull-ups at all, how you can work them through all the regressions to get that sort of foundational strength, then progress on to the normal pull-ups, and then add an extra layer then for the progressions. Pull-up strength is so important just in life skills as it is, like gardening, picking up groceries, doing manual work. So I'd very much encourage that you work hard at your pull-up, and when you're prescribing your protocol to your athletes, remember it's 2 pull to 1 push.
If you liked this video and you want to see more, make sure to subscribe below and don't forget to hit the notification button.